Legacy isn't defined by numbers, but by the voices that bring it to life. How do we honor over a century of hands that have done the work and shared the moments of dedication that have built the Estcourt story? We sing. The power of song is in its ability to inspire, to foster camaraderie, create a sense of belonging, and express who we are. In 2016, the harmonies of Estcourt's factory workers sparked something special. An annual choir competition that has since become a celebration of talent, pride, and the unity of the Estcourt family. 107 voices, 107 stories. Each song reflects who we are. A team connected by history, driven by dedication, and always striving for excellence.
So I joined the choir because I love music and it brings together people, and it heals actually, because I'm also a spiritual person. It heals my soul, most especially when we sing gospel music and traditional music.
It brings out the unique way of people gathering together. That's why I sing.
In this choir I can grow, I can be me. Because when I talk about me, I talk about music, I talk about art.
Oh, the best feeling of being on stage, I'm scared of crowd, but I know in my singing, I do the best.
Every year, these voices come together, not just to compete, but to carry forward Estcourt's legacy. Through song, our employees celebrate their shared spirit, reminding us that music builds bridges, strengthens bonds, and spreads joy beyond the workplace. For 107 years, our legacy has been shaped by the dedication of our people, and their voices continue to guide our future. Together, we move forward and celebrate what was, what is, and what is yet to come.
What I can say about my choir, I would say, these guys are good. These guys are number one.